the address kitchen, early morning sunlight streams through my window pane, clearing up the shadows and the spirit of the rain. It improves my mood and keeps my rhythm in line, giving me creativity.
So I made my plate. The plate that you're gonna see, you know, when I prepare everything, that was my husband's plate. But this right here is my plate. Yes, this is dinner. This is my tostada with refried beans, beef, lettuce, tomato, onions, and all that. And then I had a soft taco. That's the soft taco, you guys. Yes, indeed. Take a picture real quick. But anyway, I do have some extra green chili if I need it. I got my sour cream on deck. Yeah, but anyway, let me show you my soft tacos. And I think I did. So this is the soft taco. See? Oh, that's the soft taco. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. And I am hungry, and I'm Mr. dig in because I'm not going to waste no time. If you know what I mean, especially this kind of food, you know, because it get cold real quick, you know. But anywho, yeah, this is my plate. And again, that's the green chili. I want extra on my soft taco, and I'll put it on there. But anyway, you guys want to see how I make this dish, just keep watching it, and you can see the meat that I use as well. This is the meat right here, and this is my plate. That's the meat. See. Alright, until then, I will see you guys in this upload video. Let me just hold it up. See? That's the Tostadas. Alright. Sorry. See you guys in this upload video. But just keep watching this video if you want to see how I make this delicious meal.
To my roots, my mom and dad, growing up in the South cooking. In the address kitchen, early morning sunlight streams through my window pane, clearing up the shadows and the spirit of the rain. It improves my mood and keeps my rhythm in line, giving me creativity and making me feel fine. I roll my head.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel today. For dinner, when I'm cooking, already cooking, but I'm gonna cook some tostadas, and this is all my ingredients. And even though they say this, but you could use, I'm gonna make a taco and a little small burrito. And this is my meat that I'm gonna use. Easy recipe, I guarantee. So yeah, so these flour tortilla came from this package right here. And if you guys saw when I first cooked this, I'll cook it. You have to go back and look at it. But this is all my ingredients for my tostada and my burrito. Okay, so I just want to come back to show you guys my ingredients. You don't really have to cook nothing. Only thing I have to warm up is this right here. I really like this. Very, very good. And just open the can. Refried beans. They're the only two that I have to prepare. Alright, I just want to come back and show you guys when I'm cooking for dinner. Alright. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to heat up this and then open this can of refried beans. And dinner is really ready. Alright, see you guys in the next clip. Guys, so I'm going to go ahead, everything is ready. I'm going to go ahead and simmer my tostada. Okay, got my meat. That's how the meat look. That's the refried bean, the cheese, tomato, lettuce. I like pepper, onion, and cilantro. And that's the sour cream. So everything is ready. I'm going to put it all together. So I'm going to make my sour taco. You know, if you saw it, this right here. Right. And I got my green chili. And this is the green. This is my sauce for my taco. Or my burrito. Spread my refried beans. Put my meat. Just a little cheese. Put the lettuce. Okay, cilantro. Another onion, not too much. And tomatoes. Then I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. Add some little sauce to it to melt the cheese. And that's the tostada. This is the main dish. Okay. This is gonna be the small burrito. Let's get cheese. Oh, this could be a soft taco because it's small enough. And that is dinner. Like this. Mexican food and comfort food for you. In Deirdre's kitchen, everyone.
blessed with a little bit of love and a whole lot of rest. Dear Lord, I'm grateful for the way that you provide. Dear Lord, thank you for this food I am about to eat. I am grateful for your provision. I ask that you would bless my food. I ask that you would bless this meal. Daily guide. And bless me as I do my work. Washed over every pot and pan and every plate I fill. Let it be an instrument of your holy will. Season every dish with your blessings and your grace, but mostly with the love that overflows display. God is great, God is good. Let us thank Him for this food. With this hands we are fed. Let us thank Him for our bread. Amen. I'm singing out the word. Thankful for the bread and the promise I heard. Continue to bless me, Lord. Continue to bless my soul. Health and healing as a gift. Provision will come, and the prosperity of God will be upon me. My sibling, God will open doors all the days of my life. I'm praying for my soul, for my healing and my health. The prosperity of God is my greatest kind of wealth.